Let me tell you something that might surprise you. Greater experience doesn't guarantee better job interview performance. In fact, it can be a challenge. And this is especially true when answering, "Tell me about yourself." Not because you lack confidence, not because you don't know what to say, but because you say too much. This is Joe from Interview Gold. In over 20 years of coaching, working with thousands of candidates, I see the same mistakes again and again. And in this video, I'm going to count down the top 3 mistakes when answering "Tell me about yourself." And I'm going to show you how to fix them. Because once you do, your interviews immediately improve, as does your chances of getting that job offer. Okay, mistake number 3, getting too personal. Number 3 on the list is being too personal. This is extremely common. Candidates hear "Tell me about yourself" and think, they want to know me as a person. So they start talking about where they grew up, their family, personal challenges, hobbies and interests, or life history. Now, let me be very clear. Interviewers are not asking who you are as a person. They are asking who you are professionally. Too much personal information wastes valuable time. It dilutes your professional message, and it makes it harder for the interviewers to score you. Yes, you can include some personal element at the end of your answer, if appropriate, but your opening must always be professional, focused, and relevant. Mistake number 2, walking through your CV. Mistake number 2, walking through your CV chronologically, starting from school, for example. This is a classic. Candidates say things like, I went to school here, then I studied there, then I joined this company, then I moved to this company. And before they know it, 2 minutes have passed and they still haven't said anything truly valuable to the employer. Here's the problem. The interviewers already have your CV. They do not need you to repeat it line by line. What they need to hear is a confirmation that you can do the job, that you will bring value, that you will solve their problem. A chronological CV walkthrough, it sounds unfocused, it hides your strengths, and it can make senior candidates sound junior. So instead of listing roles, you should be detailing who you are now, highlighting key achievements, and showing how your experience, skills, and strengths make you the right person to get this job. Your answer should feel like a professional snapshot, not a history lesson. Mistake number 1, rambling with no structure. And now the number 1 mistake, the one that costs more job offers than anything else. Rambling with no structure. And here's something interesting, something I see in my coaching practice. The more experienced you are, the more likely you are to do this. Why? Because you know too much. You want to include everything, every role, every responsibility, every achievement. Here's the reality. An interview is a communication exercise, but when you ramble, your key strengths get buried. Your message becomes unclear. Your confidence can appear shaky, and your value to the employer gets diluted. Now, you might say good things, but nothing stands out. And worse still, rambling early in the interview creates a negative first impression. Once that happens, everything else you say is judged through that lens. That's why this question matters so much. But there is a simple fix to all of these mistakes, and that is structure. The solution to all 3 mistakes is the same. When your answer is structured correctly, you stay concise, you stay relevant, and you stay in control. You stop improvising, you stop rambling, and you start delivering a clear, professional opening that sets you up for success in this interview. This one answer becomes the foundation for the entire interview. Check out my video here and in the links below, where I give you a powerful yet simple formula to answer the "Tell me about yourself" question brilliantly. So let's recap. The top 3 mistakes when answering "Tell me about yourself" are getting too personal, walking through your CV, and rambling with no structure. Fix these and interviews suddenly feel easier. If this has helped, like the video and subscribe for more interview coaching tips. Good luck with your interview preparation, and I'll see you next time.